Everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a topic that's going to make your home smarter and more energy efficient. We're going to learn how to change the temperature settings on your Nest thermostat for different modes. Whether you're looking to stay cozy in the winter or keep things cool in the summer, your Nest thermostat has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly go over the different modes your Nest thermostat offers. You've got heat for those chilly winter days, cool for the hot summer months, heat cool for year-round comfort, and off when you want to give your HVAC system a break. Plus, there's the Eco mode, which helps you save energy when you're away from home. Step 1. The first step to changing temperatures for different modes is accessing the Nest menu. It's as easy as pressing on the thermostat to wake it up, and then turning the outer ring to the right until you reach the settings icon. Once you're there, press to select. Step 2. Selecting mode. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down and select mode. This is where the magic happens. You'll see all the different modes we talked about earlier. Step 3. Choosing the mode. Let's say you want to set the temperature for the heat mode. Simply press on heat, and you'll be taken to the temperature setting screen for the heating mode. Step 4. Adjusting the temperature. Here's the fun part. Turn the outer ring to adjust the temperature to your liking. You'll see the new temperature displayed on the screen. Press to confirm, and you're all set. Step 5. Repeat for other modes. Repeat the process for other modes like cool, heat cool, and even off. Customize each mode to ensure your home is always at the perfect temperature, no matter the season. Don't forget about the Eco mode. It's a great way to save energy when you're away. Set a comfortable range, and your Nest thermostat will automatically adjust to keep your home efficient. Conclusion. And there you have it. Changing temperatures for different modes on your Nest thermostat made easy. With a few simple steps, you can create the perfect environment for every season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making your home smarter and more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.